here. Bring a coffee mug. Yes. We're just gonna edit that out, or are we just gonna
In post.
we're gonna edit all of this waiting.
Haha. Okay, we're gonna go like this.
Yes.
So classy. Excellent. Let's go like
Hello.
this. We are at Michael and Jessica's house celebrating
Hi, Michael.
Christmas. This is Michael. And we are trying this wine that I bought because it had a robot on it, but
It's not a robot.
it's not a robot. It is a bull with, or a cow with, I don't know what that is. So it's called Beso de Vino, and it's a 2011 red wine from Spain. This is what it looks like in a coffee mug. Look at that gorgeousness.
Oh yeah.
What is everybody smelling?
Wine.
Young fruit.
Yeah, young fruit.
Young fruit.
It's really hard to smell things in styrofoam cups.
Yeah, the styrofoam's kind of overpowering it.
But we're gonna cheers anyway. Cheers!
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
I already started drinking, but cheers.
Oh, the turkey finally made it.
Yes.
It's a little,
What's the taste?
Tart.
a little tart. Little tart.
Yeah.
It's not sweet.
Not sweet?
No, it's not sweet.
Okay. Blackberries? No? No fruits?
I don't know. It says that it's supposed to be striking, which is, I always complain about the labels that they make no sense.
I don't find it striking.
It's supposed to be opaque purple, intensely perfumed aromas of cherry and blackberry, brightly, and are bright, I'm sorry, I drank wrong, are brightened by zesty minerality and subtle peppery. There's no pepper.
I find
I'm
this
sorry.
actually really easy drinking.
Yeah, there's no pepper, no intensity.
No, I can-
it's not really intense.
I can taste the pepper, I just can't taste the intensity. Do you
A
find
little
it
bit of a
intense?
prick there. But
Yeah.
It's not intense.
I don't taste the
Okay,
pepper. Maybe something.
so if this wine were a day of the week, what day of the week would you say it would be?
Tuesday?
No, I was
No,
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
All right, Wednesday.
Like it's not good enough to be like everybody needs to try this.
No.
But it's good enough for.
You need something else to get over Tuesday to get to Wednesday.
Yeah.
This helps you get to Thursday.
This will get you to Thursday.
Yep.
Thursday wine from styrofoam coffee mugs. Cheers!
Cheers.
Bye!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.